Rafaela, where we going? Where we going? Where we going?
We about to go to this Haitian spot.
We about to get some cola Haiti.
Yo,
Cola La Caille.
Some cola La Caille. On this Haitian restaurant, man, is like the most popular Haitian restaurant.
Are you
Orange.
Are you really? Are you telling the
truth?
truth?
It's so popular. Though. It's on South Center Street, and guess what the name is?
What's the name of it?
South Center.
Oh, okay.
South Center Bakery, dude.
Yeah.
See, they know me so much. They said, "What's up to me?" They said, "Quick, quick." You know, what about you, man?
Yeah, man.
What you know about this spot, man?
To be honest with you, man, I haven't been here in like years. I never knew they call it South Center Bakery. I mean, I always knew it as this, this Haitian spot where I usually get my patties, my bootleg Haitian movies. You know what I mean?
Beautiful sister over here. Okay. Oh, somebody back in party.
Please don't take this in camera. Don't take this spot in Please don't take this spot in camera. Are you saying this is the best Haitian restaurant spot, man? Everything is empty. Don't be fatties.
I said this is so popular. That's it. You're telling me popular.
You call this popular? They're so popular that everybody bought out the beef patties. Is that what you're saying?
I know. Hello.
There's not even anybody to give you customer service. There's not even anybody to give you customer service. To serve. That's what I want to get. I want to get a cola La Caille. Dude, they don't even have the cola La Caille, dude. Nou vle mande pou ki sam la, ki sa mwen vin defan nan rap, mwen vin depose sou track avek rap, kap detwi ignorance tan kou masak, ede imanite avanse ole li fe bak, epi ou vle di sa si yon sak, wey pousse, hepa pou lka eklate, me si ou touche l, nepot jan la bok ou tan kou karate.